Florida weekend warriors here. We've got a pack of baby seals ahead of us. What is going on? All right, first full day, Islamorada. Sea hunt's going out. We're gonna get some trolling done. Got a little sun. I'm a new guest star on the show. My name's Zach. And beautiful. What's his name?
Jenna.
Jenna?
Yeah. He might bite. Get him out of here.
Hey, come on here. Captain Bell at the stern. This guy, you don't need to know his name, but he's here. We got Bailey, Kevin. I'm a new guest star on the show. My name's Zach. And yeah, we're heading out. Got all the rods. Beautiful day out. So whether it's 4-foot seas, a nice flat day on the boat, or running in, there we go, or running in going 32. Deb is on her boat, and she's getting her reading in, one way or another. I found a little island of weeds.
But we don't have the tuna door open. Bailey's on that side.
Got some double action going.
Watch your rod tip.
Triple action. We got 3 on once. This is just a regular day for us, you know? Regular day? Woo. Oh yeah.
Put on a show.
Here, Kyle, hold this. We got fish on. There's that, you get yours in.
That's a pretty nice one.
I don't
You
know.
walk to the front.
You don't know?
Mine's the biggest,
Come on,
I think. He's a monster.
Reel some slack in.
Me?
Yeah, you walk.
Oh, this is a nice triple shot right here.
Yeah, get this shot right there.
Bailey, move yours up a little bit.
Yeah, you can reel some line in too.
Me?
Yeah, you can. Both you too.
My thing's just so long.
All right, we got leader. I landed it. Everyone knows. We lose this fish, it's now Kevin's fault. Hold it, Kevin. Do not mess this up.
Yeah, let's
mess
go
it up?
on this side.
Open the tuna door.
Right, get over here. Justin, go on the other side of it.
Man, dude. Not a gas.
Yeah. It's really not that big, but.
Hey, the movers. Got him. Oh, fish in the boat. There we go. Oh, meat in the pot. We got dinner.
Nice.
Remember.
Gotta be careful.
Hey, close the tuna door.
Close the door. Got it over there.
There's a blue one right there.
Hit?
Yeah. He just went towards the other line.
All right. Whew, that's a nice size one.
Everyone should bring theirs to the tuna door. They can bring around the other side.
Don't let the hook hit me.
They can have to.
Kevin, don't need to fish big. Alright, come a little closer. Beautiful. In the box. Alright, Dad, take it out again.
You take it to the left. To the left. Yeah, I've got it.
Alright, doubled up. We just got one in the boat. Kyle's got a nice one on here.
Take it up here front.
Kyle, keep walking to the front so we can bring it.
Pulls out over here.
Kyle, whatever you do, do not mess this up. Oh, the jug's coming for you, Kyle, for an after celebratory.
Alright, well, Bailey, get hers in. I think Bailey's got to go in too. There you go, get it, girl.
You need to be in front of you.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, I got that on camera, so we'll play that one back, and someone's to blame.
Ready for this one?
Bailey, you need to go.
Yeah, get over to the side, Bailey.
Charles wasn't doing that fish. There you go, babe.
Hey, we need to go back through there.
Oh yeah.
There is a
got
ripple
him.
right here. There is a
No,
ripple.
it's
Look,
only keeps
there's
moving.
only
doing
white
good.
You got it,
spots right
Bailey.
here.
Kyle definitely had a nice one. Yeah, Kyle, you can throw out a rod. See if you can catch more. You did get him on the smallest rod.
Okay, Bailey.
You got it.
Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah, don't rush him. We need to get this John in the boat.
Damn. This would have been the spot to roll in.
You got him.
Yeah, the birds are still all around.
There you go, Kev.
Fish in the boat, baby.
Good job, babe.
Nice job, Bailey.
Time to swim yet?
We have plenty of mahi on the boat. We'd like to get some tuna. We're going to go to the humps and we'll either jig for 'em or try trolling. But first, try to catch a couple more mahi.
That's a dolphin right here. There you go.
There you go.
Let me see that.
Come on, Kyle. Oh, yeah, baby. They're chasing it.
They're back, guys. Going out.
They loved us. Couples that jig together. Oh, I'm choking on a peanut. Sorry about that.
That's pretty good.
Couples that jig together stay together.
Oh,
As you can tell by his ear.
how do you get like both your arms?
That 8-footer feel nice on the jig,
Heavy,
Kev.
man.
Not too bad.
That ear's looking a little, there you go.
You want sunscreen?
A little Game of Thrones. Ruining my shot right now. What a beautiful day. Out here on the northbound. Nice, that's a nice one. There you go, Trevor.
Here.
I gotta say, I was on a tuner. How about Kevin?
Kevin, he's got me.
No. I'm surprised you hit that one. We were going very fast. Well, you never know. That's why.
Tuna in the boat, it's time to head to the sandbar.
Hey, Justin, what kind of blood is that?
Florida weekends, let's get a little hello over here. Hey everybody! Kyle, can I get a wave here? There we go.
Do I know these people?
You guys look like ants in this GoPro thing. It's so far away.
What's his name?
Jenna.
Jenna.
Yeah.
Jenna needs to go to the dentist. Her teeth are green. It's a little baby one. This one doesn't have
She's about
barnacles.
2 years old.
Yeah.
She's a local.
She's a local?
Yeah, we enjoy her.
Okay. She needs to go. She could use a shave.
Just a little, but we don't hate on it. She's still a baby.
So this guy went running, found his way right into the boat. All right, Colin, get that thing. Careful.
He might bite. Get him out of here.
Hey, Colin, right here, right here.
Get him out of here.
Ran out and jumped in.
We had a great day fishing, but the crew's getting restless. Tomorrow is opening day for lobster season, and at the lighthouse today, they were carrying rocks across the bottom. They're really excited about tomorrow. We hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up or leave a comment.